guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing really good. And today is my day off. Or I have made a sudden plan, and as you can see, I'm wearing a jacket because Sydney's weather is literally so crazy that you can't trust it. और इतनी गर्मी थी 2-3 दिनों से, इतनी गर्मी थी कि मुझे लगा था, oh God, इतनी जल्दी समर आ गई. And it's last night it started raining and it got so cold. But today is my day off, and I don't really want to waste my day off by sitting at home, so I'm gonna go out and take you all with me to my favorite place. Let's go.
Illawarra, Cronulla and light rail services.
Good morning customer, this is your VSP service via Wallai Creek. Next stop is Sepulaki. Please change Sepulaki for ferry and light rail service. Please mind the gap if you leave to Sepulaki. Thank you.
So guys, मैं आ चुकी हूँ अपने one of the most favorite places in Sydney, and I'll show you guys. So अभी चलते हैं नीचे. डिफरेंट वॉफ सीख रहे हैं. यहाँ पे फेरीज लगी रहती है, यहाँ पे टाइम लगा रहता है कौन सी फेरी किस टाइम पे जा रही है. एंड सो आई थिंक कोई वो दिख रहा होगा कि वो फेरी निकल रही है. और मेरे हिसाब से कुछ फेरीज आर रियली कन्वीनियंट क्योंकि यू कैन अवॉइड ऑल द ट्रैफिक एंड यू कैन रीच मैनली डायरेक्टली. वही अगर तुम ट्रेन लोगे या फिर you go by car, it's gonna be very challenging. So अब मैं यहाँ पे इतनी बार आ चुकी हूँ ना that I have my favorite spots in here. मतलब इधर भी I know it's overall it's very beautiful, but फिर भी इधर एक कुछ स्पॉट्स हैं विच आर रियली वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट. एंड आई फील कि भाई कितनी बार ऐसा होता था कि मैं 9 to 5 शिफ्ट ख़त्म करती थी एंड टू कैच सनसेट में वहाँ पे शाम को जाके बैठ जाती थी. इट्स रियली ब्यूटीफुल, इट्स पीसफुल, it's really amazing, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. But wherever I come here, my mood shifts, and I'm gonna show you guys too. So this is like literally my favorite spot क्योंकि ये बहुत पीसफुल है. अभी आगे ओपेरा हाउस की साइड जाऊँगी तो काफ़ी मोस्टली क्राउडेड रहता है, पर इधर एंड आज तो बहुत क्लाउडी है. बट कभी मुझे और मौका मिला तो डेफिनेटली आई विल ट्राई टू कैच अ सनसेट हियर. यहाँ पे सनसेट इज़ आई थिंक द वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल सनसेट्स दैट आई हैव वॉच्ड इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया. नीचे चले जाओगे तो यू कैन गो टू दीज कैफ़ेज एंड वॉशरूम्स और या कार पार्क, वो सब नीचे है एंड मोस्टली ऊपर ही लोग घूम. सामने आपको कार्निवल क्रूज़ दिख रहा होगा एंड आई होप वन डे आई गो इनटू दैट क्रूज़ क्योंकि आई रियली वांट टू ट्रैवल टू दिस क्रूज़. पर बस प्रॉब्लम ये है कि इतना वर्क शेड्यूल के साथ मैनेज हो नहीं पा रहा. बट फॉर श्योर समडे इन फ्यूचर आई विल गो टू दैट क्रूज़. एंड this is one of my favorite places in Sydney. And also एक फेवरेट प्लेसेस में भी एक फेवरेट स्पॉट होता है ना, तो I have one spot which is कि हम यहाँ से ऊपर जाएंगे and we will sit in that corner and you can see the view throughout. मतलब इसलिए इधर मोस्टली लोग कम ही आते हैं इस साइड. एंड इफ़ यू सी दैट साइड इज सिडनी बोटानिकल गार्डन और वो बहुत सुंदर है. लाइक इट इज़ रियली 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 ब्यूटिफुल. एंड वहाँ किसी और दिन चलेंगे. वो देखो वहाँ से कितनी सारी फेरीज जा रही हैं. दे ऑल गो इन डिफरेंट डायरेक्शंस. और ये रहा यहाँ तक आने के लिए कितने पापड़ बेले हैं. So here I am in my favorite spot of my favorite location. This place is really 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 special for me and it holds so many special memories. मुझे लगता है कि when I was a really small kid, मेरे दिमाग में था कि okay, I want to move to Australia, I want to move to Australia. And whenever you think about Australia, the first thing that comes into your mind is Opera House. तो मुझे imagine तुम्हें कंट्री के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता. You just see a picture and you are like okay, I want to go there, I want to go there, है ना. But here I am sitting right outside Opera House. So it makes me realize in a way that okay, yes, prayers do move mountains, you know, and hard work too, of course, but prayers for sure. This is one thing. Second thing is कि जब मैं Qatar 2 years ago I was in Qatar and by God's grace I got this opportunity to move to Australia and it was really scary. It's not scary, but it was kind of like we were moving towards like uncertainty, and Qatar is like really close to my house. It's like a 4-hour flight, but Australia is like moving to Australia is like moving to a different part of the world altogether. And it was a bit yeah, because we had full-time jobs, so we were like really tentative that whether we should do it, whether we shouldn't do it. But I'm so grateful that I took this challenge in my life and I moved to Australia because it changed my life in ways that I would have never ever ever expected. And I'm really grateful for that. And yes, the first place that I came when I came to Australia was Opera House too. So yes, it's special in that way too. And the next thing is about three very special ladies that I met in Sydney. So they are one of my best friends. All of those three women are my best friend. I met them in Sydney. We were all immigrants from different countries. We were all far away from home, and we all formed such great friendship, and we all supported each other in the ways that you can't imagine. They all three of them taught me so much, and I even the time that I had with them was really really short, but I think those memories I'm going to cherish forever, like forever, because they are really really special people, and they are not in Australia anymore. They chose different paths in life and they are doing really good. They're in different countries, they're doing really good, and I'm so happy for them and I wish all the happiness to them. But yes, whenever I come to Opera House I always think about them because we all used to hang out here. One or the other time I have some special memories with them, and I think for the rest of my life whenever I'm gonna visit this beautiful place I'm always gonna keep them in my mind because this is how special those three girls are for me. So yes, I miss you guys. And yeah, that's about it. This is like really really a special place for me, and that's why I wanted to take you guys with me here. And also I really want to appreciate the people who have subscribed to my channel, who view my videos, or I'm not a professional, I'm just starting out, and I don't know, I just decided to document my life. But the people who have subscribed my channel or who are watching my videos, I am really really grateful for you guys because it really gives me hope. And thank you and I love you. Almost 2 घंटे I spent there. I was just sitting, listening to music, and I think I'm gonna take a bit walk now. But I also might have to head home soon क्योंकि कभी भी बारिश हो सकती है, like literally कभी भी. You guys can see सबसे ऊपर, I don't know if I can zoom in. वो दिख रहा है आप लोगों को? तो वो लोग हैं, लाइक इतना ऊपर तक भी लोग जाते हैं। और लिटरली सोचो भाई, लोग इतना ऊपर तक भी चढ़ते हैं तो कितना खुराफाती दिमाग लोगों में होता है। बट ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग कि मेरे आई रियली वांटेड टू क्लाइंब देयर एज वेल, बट आई थिंक इट कैन बी इट्स अ चैलेंज फॉर अनदर डे। अभी दूर से इंजॉय करते हैं। सो आई एम गोना हेड होम नाउ। दैट्स गोना बी माय प्लेटफॉर्म। Such a cute shop. So thank God that I took a wise decision and I left early क्योंकि it had started raining and मैंने थोड़ा groceries भी pick कर लिया and it was not a really gloomy day also क्योंकि there was a bit of sun, ज़्यादा गर्मी भी नहीं थी. I really like this weather in Sydney क्योंकि बिल्कुल ज़्यादा गर्मी भी नहीं होती है और बिल्कुल बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा भी नहीं होता. And look how एकदम खाली स्ट्रीट्स हैं यहाँ पे. I just live right by the end of the street. This is a really quiet street. कभी कभी शाम को मैं इधर आ जाती हूँ घूमने. And I love this. So after a long and beautiful day outside, I'm finally back home and this is the best feeling ever. But however, I have a long day ahead. I'm heading out to gym. वैसे तो मैं रोज़ जिम नहीं जाती हूँ. आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट कि मैं जब भी जा सकूँ तो मैं चली जाऊँ. बट येस, माई नेक्स्ट टारगेट इज़ टू बी अ बिट मोर रेगुलर एट जिम. आई नो करने वाले लोग करते हैं, बट विद माई करेंट schedule and my profession, it's a bit challenging. And it's not an excuse, it is generally a bit challenging to go to gym every day, but I make sure that whenever I can, I go. Because our body is our permanent home and we can do whatever is in our hands to take care of it. So yeah, that's about it. And thank you so much for watching my vlog and I will see you with another video. Till then, take care. See you. Bye bye.